What's up, boy?
I just want to see if I get up on top of any of these, if I can see where the swing set is.
It's down that way.
Still that way. I got a pair of binoculars in here.
Well, if it's down in a valley, you'll never see it.
But see, I can't tell, like between some of the bushes, if maybe that could be it straight ahead in the flat part. Because
Yeah.
I know there was a lot of dunes that you could see it from.
Yeah.
Somebody left all their beer and shit down here.
Yeah, you see where that one buggy is out there? You're thinking about right that area?
I mean, who knows?
To the right of that fire? See that one guy way out there?
And well, see, then way out there, there's more buggies way out there.
Yeah,
so.
I see the ones way the fuck out there.
I have a set of binoculars. Let me see if I can see what the fuck any of this is.
All right. I would look, Ed, at the guys that are way far down there. Those are the guys I would look at.
Okay. Is that fun? Sucks to need glasses.
Yeah.
No, there's just 3 of them sitting by themselves.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
Well, check out this one guy that's close, because it looks like there's a couple behind the mountain, kind of. Oh, it is?
Yeah, there's a...
Crap.
There's a couple of UTVs, 3, 4 of them on the sand behind it.
Yeah.
This thing's not real clear, but it does work.
Yeah. Well, we could drive all day and not find it.
There's 3 more people way out there too.
Oh yeah, there's a caravan way over there.
I don't know, dude.
No, there's just no way to find it, Ed. Even if you saw it, you think you could tell what it was with those binoculars?
Yeah, I would.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, I can actually see a bunch of trees and shit way the fuck down there. You can see all kinds of crap. You can actually see pretty well with these. For being such little fucking
bullshit.
Yeah. Well, I think to find anything like this, we need a GPS.
When I see Gecko Road, I see a bunch of people on it. See those people stop right there? 3 of them?
Yep.
That's weird, that fire, the smoke is going straight up.
Yeah. Well, there's no wind. That's why it is going straight up.
Oh no, you can see good with these.
Yeah.
That Razor in front's got a blue roof, the one in the middle is a white roof, and the last Razor is blue.
Really?
Yeah, it's got a two orange flags, and on the flag on the right, it has a black flag underneath it.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, those are pretty good. Because they're fucking far away. You can see what color flags they got. Oh no.
Up here on this hill, there's 1 4-seater Razor and 3 quads.
Really? Yeah. Well, it's someplace in that valley right there. But where? Who the fuck knows, dude? But what I did notice, that there was a lot of fucking tracks going there. You know, a lot of fucking buggies. So, but all of these hills have a lot of tracks.
Yeah.
So which one is it?
Fuck, I don't know. I want to think that it's all these dunes that are here, or that it's in between.
Yeah.
That I think it's still.
Yeah, down in the valley down there.
Because I remember there was a lot of high dunes really close to it.
See where all the bushes are out there?
Yeah, I think it's.
Like
yeah,
that,
no, I
that
think
way.
you're right.
Because I do remember it being like a valley, but it could be that valley over there. See it?
Yeah, that one that looks like a quad that's just a bush.
No, there is a quad way in there. I'm talking about those quads. See them shining?
Yeah. Because I knew right from the one side there were huge dunes on right behind us.
Yeah.
And I knew Gecko Road was on that side. So.
Yep. But that's all I remember.
Yeah, me too.
Gecko was on one side, the dunes were on the other, but I still think it's further that way.
Yeah, because the dunes were closer.
Yeah.
The valley was closer to the dunes. There's too many medium-sized dunes in between the tall ones and that.
Yeah. That's why I think it's out there where all the bushes are.
Yeah. Well, let's head that way.
Yeah.
If, we could always go back over to Gecko Road.
It's only a drive anyways. We're out here driving. Yeah, that one shoulder, I would like to get that a little bit tighter on you.
Okay.
This one. But I don't know how to get it tighter. Hold it. Nope, I can't get it. Oh, it's coming a little bit. See, nobody's even used that.
Well, that sucked that my camera died.
Is that what that was, Ed?
Yeah, it was pissed off. The battery was low.
Yeah.
Tell you what, let's save your battery, Pat. And if we can find that swing set, you're going to want video from that. That's cool. Would like to keep it there for a little bit. right on the swing. Well, there's two things we can find. If we find the slide, we know that the swing set is just past that.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, crap. Oop. Crap.
I do know too that there was kind of an easy valley to drive in the middle.
Yeah.
What's up, Pat?
What's up? Because we're leaving.
I don't know why my battery
Go,
died
put it on.